How to delete Upscrolled account permanently. Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to permanently delete your Upscrolled account. So if you no longer want to use the app or want to remove your data completely, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Upscrolled app on your iPhone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon, usually found in the bottom corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, look for the settings and tap on it. Now tap on Account Center. Then tap on Delete Account. Upscroll may ask you to enter your password. Then check the box of I understand that this action cannot be undone. Then tap Delete or Confirm. Keep in mind, once deleted, your account, profile, and data may be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. Upscroll will ask for final confirmation. Tap Delete. And that's it. That's how you can permanently delete your Upscroll account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe for more quick and easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.